People always laugh at the way I fix things up. This is a old Ford pickup box trailer I had, and the mechanism quit working long ago. So I just took the hinges off of the deal, so it flops down the minute I unhook this. But just a second here. So every time I undo my bungee strap here, that tailgate just flopped down. Something's wrong. Yeah, actually, my wife sent me a link to a hack on Facebook, and I picked up a seatbelt at a garage sale the other day, and took the seatbelt clip, put it on the tailgate. I didn't think it was going to work very good, but I messed up the cover, but I think I can't get that to stay on. I tried to JB weld it, but it didn't work. But anyway, my tailgate stays up now. I don't have to have a bungee strap on it.